Good morning everyone. Today I am doing one Vauxhall Corsa that's fully automatic, and the customer complaining that's the common problem of this Corsa. Sometime this gearbox, this lever is not coming out from the park. You need to press brake 5 6 like stick. Look, you can see we pressing the brakes on there, but still is not coming. We pressing the button as well, and sometime look, now is working. See, is working. Sometime is now is working, but sometime like see, now is again is not working. Now is working. So that's the problem, in very common problem of this Corsa. And this is 2008 plate, and 1.2 and 1.4 have a same problem. The park, you can go to the shopping, car was fine, and then you park it, and then when you come back, and then it's not coming from the P. You pressing the button, down here is a button, you pressing the button, but still have a problem of this one. Is a common problem of this Corsa. So this is basically the problem is in the gear selector switch, and if you want to repair it, you have to bring the car and we can fix your problem. It take like 1 hour, and we are in Heathrow, and my postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango, and my Heathrow Motor Limited, my garage address 167 Hanworth Road, Tango Whiskey 33 Tango, and my phone number is 07402536382. So you can text me, book with me, and then I'm gonna sort it out for you. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching my video.